When we eat, we heat. The official name for the process is meal-associated thermogenesis. It has quite a few moving parts. It involves a gut-secretin-bat-brain axis. Basically, the food arriving in the stomach prompts the release of the hormone secretin, which creates a horrendous din, and the sound travels all over the body, upsetting brown fat cells. This sparks a flurry of activity and ends up singeing the neurons in the appetite center. It's a blessing and a curse, depending on who you ask. For the neurons deep in the arc nucleus of the brain, it's a trauma that, they'd prefer to circumvent. So they've written a rule and had it added to the eating playbook. The rule states, when it's hot, eat less. Most of us play by this rule most of the time, so on a cold winter's day, we're much more likely to tuck into a bowl full of calorie-rich goodies. Conversely, on a hot summer's day, we're more likely to opt for a light snack. Now, the great thing about a playbook is it minimizes the need to think. And this is something the human brain likes to do. It makes life so much easier. But it does open us up to mistakes. That is, we can run the playbook in a situation that it was not actually written for. This can be a blessing or a curse, particularly if you're weight watching. Join us for this episode of Better Body Chemistry TV as we discover how your nose can get you into all sorts of trouble with that temperature play. But no worries, you can fight back. Better Body Chemistry TV is brought to you by Dr. Sandy, a scientist turned gremlin buster, helping you battle sugar gremlins, heffalumps, and other health horribles through better body chemistry. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health. Now, when it comes to taking your temperature, the problem is we don't actually walk around with a thermometer strapped to our forehead. We use a variety of sensors to judge ambient temperature. One of them is odor. Bet you didn't see that one coming. But if I asked you what temperature you would ascribe to a minty smell, odds are you would describe it as cool. Ditto for eucalyptus and lavender, whereas cinnamon, cedarwood, sandalwood, these would more than likely be classified as warm. They're smells, not temperatures, but our brains have made the connection through learned cognitive association. And when we smell these odors, our brain flips open the eating playbook and runs the eat, heat, play. Sometimes this works to our advantage, sometimes to our disadvantage. This is what a team of marketing researchers discovered when they went undercover at the optometrist's office. Our team hid 2 commercial-grade odor nebulizers at opposite ends of the local store. At the reception desk, they popped a glass bowl full of individually wrapped, unbranded chocolates for customers to enjoy once they had signed in with the receptionist. Now, the actual temperature in the store was carefully controlled at 73 degrees Fahrenheit, but the temperature varied outside depending on the time of day. The experiment was run from 9 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the afternoon on 2 Thursday and Fridays a week apart. They messed with the heads of the customers by pumping in 2 different scents. The first was cedarwood, a so-called warm scent, and the second was lavender, a so-called cool scent. When they counted how many chocolates were consumed, the scent made a difference. On cool days, 43 customers visited the store, and on average they consumed 54.87 calories. On warm days, 54 customers visited the store, and on average, they consumed 29.55 calories. That's almost double the calories on the cool days. And remember, the actual temperature in the store was the same. Lucky for us, this group of marketers are not in the business of getting us to buy more calories. They're just exploring options. But manipulating odor is a tool of the trade, and marketers know just how to push our buttons. They use psychology and biology to get us to buy. Now, manipulating the ambient odor in the field changed people's eating pattern. Now, our team went on to confirm their findings in a lab setting. They used undergraduate students as their test subjects, feeding them M&Ms while manipulating the ambient odor. The same thing happened, confirming haptic clues can be manipulated by marketers. Ouch! But they can also be manipulated by you. This research suggests if you are watching your weight, you might find it helpful to watch the scents you're being exposed to when you eat. Are you using cool-scented cleaning products on a routine basis? Maybe adding warm scents to your eating environment might just help you put the fork down a bite or two earlier. And less calories in means less calories need to be stored. Yay! If you've got the opposite problem, that is, you're struggling to eat enough, you might try decorating the table with a sprig of mint, and be sure to use minty cleaning products. Have you got an out-of-control sugar gremlin? To tame your sugar gremlin, you need to deploy the 10 weapons of the Candy Floss system. Download the Willpower Report. It's free to learn more and begin the journey today to creating better body chemistry and better health. For more tips and strategies, visit our website at www.betterbodychemistry.com. The advice is simple to follow and based on real science, not hype. Know someone who finds themselves eating more than they should? Share this video with them so they can be more tuned into the environmental triggers that can give them the munchies and take the necessary precautions. And if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you catch future episodes of Better Body Chemistry TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health.